Let's look at the Instructor Course Activity Planner. This should give you an idea of when things are due and some ways you could structure your time throughout a live course. One strategy we recommend is to use the Course Activity Planner to map out the weeks of your courses. You'll need to decide how to plan your instructional time around your other weekly commitments. Perhaps you like to work longer days during the week and take your weekends off. If you plan ahead, you can do that. Maybe you'd like to drop into your classroom briefly during the week and save the bulk of your work for the weekends. You can plan for that too. One thing to keep in mind is that your first couple of courses will take up more time than your later courses. There's simply a learning curve involved, so give yourself some extra time for those first few courses. Now I'm going to briefly talk about some of the course deadlines and share some ideas on how you might create your own workflow. You might try out different strategies in your first couple of courses to find the routine that best suits you, then block off time on your planner for your course tasks. As you look at the Course Activity Planner, you'll see the faculty deadlines in bold red text throughout the course. What's on the planner in all caps are student deadlines. What's in plain black text are suggestions for routine daily tasks to keep you on track. And then there are some optional ideas written in italic blue text to give you some ideas on things you could do throughout the week to manage your workload. Those optional activities can help you juggle your time and work the way you prefer. Keep in mind your course may have different tasks and requirements. Check with your program chair if you have questions about the requirements for your specific courses. Before your course starts, you'll always have what's called Prep Week. This is the time you're going to want to take to look through the course to familiarize yourself with everything. The Thursday before your course starts, you should post your welcome announcement because the students will go into the course as early as that Thursday. Monday, before your course starts, you have to include your introduction on the Post Your Introduction form for students, and then day 1 is Tuesday. This is when your course actually starts. The students' intro posts are due on Tuesday. You should be checking for student questions daily, which is reflected in the Course Activity Planner. Again, you'll want to have that week 1 announcement posted by day 1, so you'll need to post it by Tuesday. And you'll want to have that discussion late policy posted as well. If you're following your planner, you won't have to remember, of course, because it will be right here for you. And look, here are some ideas for what you can be doing to keep up with the workload for the course. Check for student questions, and you can see here that it's a reading day for students. Perhaps you'll use Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to start responding to students in the discussion forum. Or maybe you choose to do it Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and take Sunday off. The choice is yours. The deadlines that are going to be hard and fast are the due dates on grading for Monday evening. You should have responded to discussions 1 and 2 by Tuesday. You'll be starting to work on those grades every learning week. Your discussion grades are due on Thursday, so you'll need to get into the classroom between Tuesday and Wednesday and get those done. And then you'll have until Sunday to get your grades done for each week's assignment. How you do that is up to you. You can look at the black written directions and also the italic blue options. And as far as how you set up your week, just remember the bold red text tells you exactly which ones are the hard and fast due dates. If your course ends in 5 weeks, you'll use week 6 to wrap up the discussion grading and your final grades and turn in your final grades by Sunday evening. If you have a 6-week class, obviously you'll go into week 7 and turn in your final grades. I recommend downloading the Course Activity Planner as well as the UAGC's Standard Teaching Expectations. Keep both of these handy for your first couple of classes, especially, to make sure that you're meeting all the expectations and supporting your students right from the start.